Hello, welcome to You're Stirring It Wrong. I'm Hailey, and today we are going to be making some delicious shortbread with only 4 ingredients. We have our flour, cornstarch, sugar, and butter. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is get your butter to like a mayonnaise consistency. And then we're going to combine 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of butter. Right, now that that's all mixed together, the next thing we're going to do is sift together our flour and cornstarch. Now that we're all done sifting, before I lose all of my flour, I'm going to pour the dry ingredients into the butter and sugar mixture. Right, now that that's done mixing, I'm going to go preheat the oven to 325. Now that my oven is preheated, I'm going to butter my 7x11 dish, and then we're going to pour the batter into there. I scared myself. Now we're gonna put this in the oven for 25 minutes and then check it. All right, now my shortbread is done and it was in there for 32 minutes. You can tell it's done because the edges are like slightly golden and brown. Now, if you want, you can dust some powdered sugar on top or put some lemon curd on it. But right now, we're done. Thank you so much for baking with me. Let me know in the comments what you want me to bake next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Bye now.